Oh my god, they're back! And this time with a new, improved version. Hi creators, thanks for visiting my channel Paradise Biz. My name is Dirk and this is the 7Artisans 18mm f6.3 Mark II. It's not out yet, but it will come out for the Sony E mount and for the Nikon Z mount. What's the difference between this one and the previous version? Well, I'd say it's an improvement because now we do have a focus ring. And the old one was just a straight point and shoot. The focus ring goes really smooth and the minimum focusing distance is only 30 cm. When I received this lens, I was not really sure for who this lens was made. We're looking at the sharpness, for example. Center sharpness is okay, but the corners are rather soft. We do have a barrel distortion and heavy vignetting, and there's nothing we can do because we can't stop it up or down. It's fixed at f6.3. So who would want this lens? And I understood the purpose as soon as I started shooting. First of all, it's only 15mm thick, so that turns your camera into a pocket cam. That's pretty cool. The 7Artisans 18mm f6.3 is a metal lens. It has a really good build quality. The only thing is, I wish it would have a cap, something that protects it while it's somewhere in a pocket. Other than this, it is really nice. This is a serious lens. It has 6 elements in 5 groups. The image quality itself takes us back in time, and this is for people who are romantic, who like to create something that is not flawless. People would use it in order to create the style from the good old days when we were shooting with film. And that's what you get using the 7Artisans 18mm f6.3. It reminds me of an 80s vacation photo. Of course, you can change this in post if you want. The picture is unedited, straight out of the camera. I was surprised to see that we have 0 problems with chromatic aberrations. Because of its vignetting, you will have parts in the picture whether slightly over or underexposed. Like I said before, the minimum focusing distance is 30 cm, and yes, you can get some out of focus background even at f6.3. Here's a handheld video without image stabilization. Because of its size, they call it the UFO, but actually this UFO is not a trip in the future, it is more a travel back in time. If you like this, then this lens might be the right one for you. I quite enjoy taking pictures with it. Not sure for which price it's going to retail, but I'm sure it's going to be affordable and therefore an absolute fun lens to have. And this concludes my little video about the 7Artisans 18mm f6.3. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and share it. If you like my channel overall, well, you know what to do. It would mean a lot to me. I upload a video at least every Sunday. If you have thoughts or questions, I respond to everything that's in the comments. I hope to see you next Sunday. Till then, take care and bye for now.